Hey everybody, welcome back to the Jeep Dock. I'm Rick, and today we're going to be putting in a custom set of ADAMS drive shafts. They were nice enough to send me a whole kit. Came with the flanges, U-bolts, everything. Chris is coming over, and we're going to get this thing knocked out. We got a lot of work to do. Let's get after it.
No, you're good.
Just leave it that way?
Yeah. I'm the Jeep Whisperer.
Yes. That can you integrate on me.
Yep. Ta-da! Das wird. Yeah, still smacking my hand on that cross member. Oh. It's still extension cord. This light is a snap-on light, dude. That doesn't mean it's not a
Snap-on!
There's no way it's a piece of shit. That's an expensive piece of shit. If it's a piece of shit. Uh-oh. Yeah, cause snap-on. I think it's lined up. Why is that cable moving when I do this? Didn't change nothing. We're back to where it was. Alright, so what we had to do on this front drive shaft, when you rotate it in neutral, it was hitting this bracket right here for the transfer case leakage. So what I did was I took a Sawzall, and if you can see right there, just cut that bit right here. And now the U-joint no longer interferes with it. There it is.
All right, so Chris got most of the drive shaft work out. We're gonna go ahead and put the yokes in and get these Adams drive shafts installed in this JK. You can see we're running out of daylight, although it is 5 o'clock. Let's get to getting the drive shafts in. Easy on this seal. There you go. Oh, I gotta put Loctite and RTV. Damn thing. Alright, so there's RTV on this and Loctite. Let me look up the specs.
I'm gonna change torque spec on you. You can't, I said, I'll change torque spec on you. You can't see it.
Here you go. It's on 210.
60, 80, 100, 152, 208, 213.
Be careful of the U-joint cap, okay? There's no tank hold no more.
Hold on. Give one shot.
Okay, can you hold it?
Yeah.
I'll go ahead and get the U-joint. Bolts. Thought I had them.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so here they are. The Adams Driveshaft 1350 CV style drive shaft, custom length. These things work flawlessly. There's no vibrations in them whatsoever. The constant velocity joint works really good. That's pretty daggone straight. It's almost dead on. So I must have got the pinion angle perfect. So we got the front all installed. You can barely see it, but yoke's all good, no leaks, and we're good to go. So that part of it is done. So is Una?
There's one. Okay, so Uno. Nope, Uno. First. Una. Una is a noun, which is often translated into one. And uno is an adjective, which also often translates as one.
So they're both right. See, this is why I didn't take Spanish.
Okay, yeah, this is what, okay.
It's exactly why I didn't take Spanish.
So un is a indefinite article used in front of a masculine noun. So it's like a book would be, so, I don't know, there's male, masculine and feminine.
So it's
words.
just like German.
So if it was a feminine nat that you're talking about, it'd be una.
So what constitutes feminine? Like a flower? What?
The language does.
Okay.
So like niña
Yeah.
would be a feminine word. Niño would be a masculine word. Not always, I think, but if it ends with an A,
Uh-huh.
it's usually feminine. If it ends with an O, it's masculine.
Okay, so Let's put these U-joints on.